Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and I'm having a great evening today on the Norwegian Getaway. Spent most of the day in Miami Beach, South Beach, Miami Beach, and I'm getting a little tired. Been partying all evening. Gonna head down to O'Sheehan's, the Irish pub here on the Norwegian Getaway. They're open 24/7, and I haven't eaten since lunch in South Beach, so a little hungry. So before I get back to my cabin, I'm gonna have some fish and chips because it is, after all, an Irish pub. Come on downstairs and follow me. I think we'll have a good time and eat a little grub at the same time. The Norwegian Getaway has a lot of complimentary restaurants. O'Sheehan is one of them. Complimentary restaurants are restaurants that are actually included in your ticket price. You can eat whenever you want, whatever you want, as much as you want, as long as the restaurant's open. Some of the complimentary restaurants on the Getaway include Savor and Taste, the Tropicana Room, the Garden Cafe, which is basically their buffet. There's the Flamingo Bar and Grill, which is on the pool deck. There's Shanghai Noodle, and there's the Haven Restaurant, which is free for those who bought Haven tickets. Those are premium tickets here on the ship. And of course, O'Sheehan's Neighborhood Bar and Grill, which is where we're heading to right now. I'm hungry. Now, I've eaten at O'Sheehan's a couple times for breakfast and lunch, and this is pretty much a late night dinner. So one thing I haven't had is the fish and chips, and like I said, it's an Irish pub, so why haven't I had the fish and chips yet? We'll check it out right now. I've eaten here in the Tropicana Room the other night. Very good dinner, great atmosphere, fantastic piano player. Check that video out on the New York channel. This is Captain Morgan. He shows up in all cruise-related videos here on the New York channel. He shows up as a quick flash in the background, including this video. Be the first to spot him and leave a comment below with the timestamp where you spotted him, and you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. Good luck. The Norwegian Getaway and her sister ship, the Breakaway, have two of the largest casinos on the 7 seas. This is a big ship, but we've finally made it to O'Sheehan's. As always, I like to give you guys a little tour before I get into the food. Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying the video, and if you are, give it a thumbs up, and while you're at it, if you're not subscribed to the New Yawk channel already, subscribe right now. It really does help the channel out. And while you're at it, if you'd like to support the New Yawk channel, just click on that thanks button right underneath the video. I appreciate your support, guys. O'Sheehan's is open 24/7 here on the ship, so there's a breakfast menu as well as a lunch and dinner one. So I ordered fish and chips and a draft beer. I'm in an Irish pub, right? So as you can see, I like a lot of acidity on my fish and chips. I like lemon as well as a lot of malt vinegar. Hey, I'm not sharing. I can make them any way I want, right? This is looking really good to me. Like I said, I haven't eaten since noon, and it's about midnight now, and I've walked for miles and miles today, so I've worked up quite an appetite. This is looking really good. I don't care for tartar sauce because it's made with mayonnaise, which of course is made with eggs, and it also came with coleslaw, which is also made with mayonnaise, so I'm passing on both those sides there. The fish is battered, not breaded, just the way I like it. It's crispy on the outside, tender on the inside, most likely frozen, but hey, it's fish and chips. It's not like a beef Wellington, right? Alrighty, I'll give the tartar sauce a try. The fish is very good. I think it's cod. The batter's nice and crispy, and the fish is nice and juicy and fresh. The tartar sauce actually isn't bad at all, and every once in a while I'll try something even though I don't like it, just to see or to remind me how much I don't like it. But once in a while I'm pleasantly surprised, and this is one of those occasions. The tartar sauce is tangy and it adds a lot to the fish, so I'm enjoying it. The fish was very good, and so were the fries. So the fish and chips was good at O'Sheehan's. I might get some again. I have a couple more days left here on the ship. What they're actually really known for, believe it or not, are wings. Odd for a Irish pub, but that's what they're known for. So perhaps instead of another order of fish and chips, I'll try those wings and bring that video to you as well. It's kind of funny. I'm just starting to get used to having a drink or a meal and just getting up and walking away. Because everything's paid for. The drinks are paid for, the meals are paid for. I'm just starting to get used to that. I hope when I get home, I just don't like go into a restaurant and get up and walk away. That'll be kind of embarrassing. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the New Yawk channel. Thanks for watching.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.